Good afternoon, guys. I'm Rahul, Walia, and I'll be teaching you how to shoot a basketball. There are three different things to learn about basketball that are very vital in any shooter. First of all is actually learning the areas of the court, finding out what area to depict or where to shoot. Second is proper form, and third is to study. So here I'm going to go ahead and show you the areas where you could shoot the ball from. There's a 3-point line where you score. If you score from the 3-point line, you get 3 points. Anything within the arc, you get a 2-pointer. And there's a free throw. After you get fouled, you go to the free throw line. There's several basic shots that you could take. There's a jump shot, which is the most common, where depending on what your defense is giving you, you're going to shoot that. Second is a layup, which is the high percentage shot, which is always within 5 feet. And then there's also a teardrop, which is thrown over the defender, who's usually taller than you, but that's more advanced, and the more you shoot and the more you practice, you'll learn that. According to Corey Binns, a proper science analyst, the ideal backspin for a shot is 15 feet. In 15 feet is 2 revolutions. So when you shoot the ball, you want the ball to spin 2 times every second. The proper form on shooting a ball is actually your guide. If you're right-handed, your guide hand is going to be on the left side of the ball. There's three lines here. You want to place your hand right here, and you're going to have your shooting hand on this side. So what you want to do is actually face your elbow to the rim of the ball, and also you want to square your body. Make sure your body's square, and then wherever your elbow goes, that's where the ball is going to go. You're going to have 3 fingers on the ball. That's going to be the last 3 fingers that release on the ball. And then also, another thing that you're always going to want to do is the power of the shot comes from your legs. So you're always going to want to make sure that when you jump, if you don't jump high enough, the ball's not going to make it to the rim. According to Robert Hughes, the 4th winningest high school basketball coach in the country, you should release the shot the same time every time, because the kinesiology of your muscles, they require repetition. The more you shoot, the more you'll get better. So let's go with some of the best NBA shooters out there. Right now there's Steve Nash. He's a potent shooter. According to Reggie Miller, he's one of the greatest 3-point shooters ever to play the game. If you ever watch Steve Nash on the floor, the guy is focused. The one thing he focuses on is the rim. And that's what you want to do. You always want to focus on the back part of the rim. There's also Reggie Miller. Reggie Miller is the greatest 3-point shooter ever to play the game. He's always going to be there. He's always going to take the big shots, and he always kicks out his feet before he shoots the ball. And then there's also Ray Allen. He led the Celtics to a championship in 2008. He's the greatest shooter ever, also with the sweetest form. And remember one thing, anytime you shoot or play basketball, stay hydrated and enjoy the game. Thank you.